How to set sleep timer on Deezer. If you want to stop a song from playing in X amount of time, you can just turn on the sleep timer option within the Deezer's platform. So to turn this option on, just open up any song that you'd like to turn on the sleep timer option and then tap on the three dotted line on the top right of the screen. Once you tap on this option, the last option you'll see is the sleep timer. You can just tap on this option and you can choose from all of these available times. You can choose from 5 minutes to an hour, or you can also choose to turn it off. So for example, if you tap on the 20-minute option, the songs that you are playing will immediately stop once the 20-minute timer hits. So if you want this feature enabled, just head over to the settings and then just tap on the option that you'd like. So that's basically it on the way that you set sleep timer in Deezer. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.